Hi, this is Edwin Cabrera, Manassas, Virginia. And I just got back from a weekend at Phoenix, Arizona with the Fast Start Summit program with Greg Gomez and company. It was a great training program. I mean, we had a whole weekend of dealing with professional online marketers with a professional presentation. It was absolutely incredible. I recommend going out to any of these network marketing events. If you have a chance, that's the best place to network and get some great training. But I want to give you three quick important takeaways that I got from all of the different things that I got. There was so much value and so much content, but I want to give you three quick ones. And the first one is stop promoting your company. I know that sounds kind of backwards, but promote yourself. Tell people how this company has affected you and how, what kind of person you are. So lead with your personality first, your company second, because you can always have a different company, so you will always be the same person, but the company may change. So that's one thing. The second thing is know your avatar. An avatar is the people that you are promoting to. Right? Who are you trying to approach? Who are you trying to attract? And for most likely, you're trying to attract people that are like you. So you are your best avatar. Now, the third thing is that you have an obligation to pass your information forward, to promote. You have an obligation to you're helping people. You're giving to people. You're giving them content. You're giving them information. You're giving them value. So you have an obligation to pass that information forward. So those are very important things about the kind of person that you are, even before you push forward the product or service that you're doing. Now, I'm going to give you a free one, another one that is very important. And it was reinforced to me this weekend because I'm a teacher, so I know you need to have training. You need to circle yourself with professional people. You need to network with professional people. And this is what the Fast Start program does for you. Not only does it give you a duplicatable marketing system, but it gives you some incredible people to socialize with and really get in touch with. So if your business is not at the level that you want it and it should be, or if you don't have the training, the skills, basically you need to learn certain skills on how to promote yourself, how to promote your business, how to advertise your business. If you need that kind of information, click on the link below, because I've been online for over 5 years now and I've done several training programs. This is one of the top-notch training programs that you can get involved with. Click on the link below because it's going to really take you to another level that you never thought you could get to. So this is Edwin Cabrera signing off here in Manassas, Virginia.